This isn't just a funny story, it's the funny story. A savage parrot, a confused man, and a frozen chicken with secrets. If you don't laugh, check your pulse. A man walks into a pet store looking for a pet that can talk. The owner says, "You're in luck. I've got a parrot that talks non-stop. Just fair warning, he's got a bit of an attitude." The man thinks, "Perfect. I'll teach him some polite words." So he buys the parrot and takes him home. Day 1. The parrot squawks, "You call this a house? Looks like a shoebox with windows."
What?
Day 2. The parrot yells, "Who dressed you? A blindfolded raccoon?" Day 3. The parrot insults the man's cooking, his haircut, even his mother. The man has had enough. He says, "If you don't stop, I'm putting you in the freezer." The parrot laughs. "Oh, scary human. Go ahead, freezer me." So the man opens the freezer, puts the parrot inside, and slams the door. There's silence. 30 seconds pass. A minute, 2 minutes. Suddenly, there's a soft knock from inside the freezer. The man panics, opens the door. The parrot walks out slowly, shivering, and says, "I apologize for my behavior. It was wrong of me to insult you. I promise to be kind and respectful from now on." The man is stunned. Wow, that worked. Then the parrot leans in and whispers, "What exactly did that chicken do?"